Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Logging In. For this episode, I will be showing you how you can sign in into your Robinhood account. Now, first of all, you need to open the web browser on your PC. For that, open a new tab on the browser, and there on the search bar, you need to type in www.robinhood.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official webpage of the bank of the Robinhood. Now here you need to click login on the right side of your screen. Click on login. Now to get logged in, you need to provide your email address or the username. You need to provide the correct email address or the username that you have provided to the Robinhood while creating a new account. Then below you need to type in your password and click on sign in. With this, you will be able to log in into the Robinhood account of yours very easily. Just in case if you forgot your password, you can click on this link below, forgot your username or password. You click open this link, and with that, for the further process, you need to provide the email address. You type in your email address and click on send mail. This way, Robinhood will send you a mail regarding how you can recover your password credential. This is how you can easily log in into the Robinhood account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.